ഇപ്പോൾ ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ മാധ്യമങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയാണ്. തത്സമയം
We all are duty bound to abide by the Constitution and law and show the most respect to national ideals and institutions. Therefore, anything which comes in the definition of national institution should not be made a subject of controversy or public discussion.
But sir, one doubt is, like, have you ever received any reply from the government authorities indicating disrespect to the dignity of the nation?
If I reveal that, then I am doing contrary to what I am expected to do. Tell me one thing. You are from
Asianet News, sir.
Asianet. You are from Asia. The conflict arises when suppose there is another reporter of Asianet and he says that not you, I will report and I will go there. Then there will be bad blood between you and him. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Here, there must be something very serious. When I am saying that under these circumstances, I cannot perform the duties of Chancellor.
So you are
There must be, let me complete. There must be something very serious, so serious, but because of certain limitations, Maryada is the right word in Malayalam?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Maryada is the right word? Because of Maryada, I cannot reveal that. You know, there are many things even in your family where problem is there, but you do not want to discuss it. You do not want to discuss it before children. There is something called Maryada. Bhagwan Ram is known as Maryada Purushottam. And if I am saying, since last 1 month almost, I do not wish to continue as Chancellor, there must be something very serious.
So you're not discarding the fact of what I asked.
My lips are sealed. I am bound, and I hope everybody shall be bound by the provisions of the Constitution, where national institutions must not be made subject of public controversy. There are certain things which should remain above any political dispute or anything. That Maryada, that line must not be crossed.
So don't you think that the Vice Chancellor should make a statement, should make a clarification?
I shall not say any more on the subject. I think my decision not to continue as Chancellor. You should probe other sources why I have taken such an action. And I am not saying give me powers. I am saying take back these powers. It means there must be something very, very serious.
So one more question.
So please,
Sir,
Is there any chance to discussion with the government?
are you speaking on behalf of the government?
No.
They have appointed you?
No.
No? Then how can you ask them? If can I refuse to talk to anybody from the government? Is it possible? If somebody comes and wants to talk to me, can I say no? You are asking questions which have no meaning.
So one more thing, opposition leader is saying that Chancellor doesn't have that power to recommend for any re-election. What do you say? What do you want to comment on that?
Sorry, my ignorance. Sorry, I'm not really. I have started understanding Malayalam, but I'm not able to speak. So I will say, Maropadi Arhikyunilla. That is all that I can say in response to questions which are rooted in total ignorance. People should feel ashamed how, without knowing the law, without knowing, without respecting the limits of the Constitution, they can indulge in such irresponsible behavior.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുകയായിരുന്നു. ചാൻസലർ പദവിയിലേക്ക് ചുമതലകളിലേക്ക് തിരികെ എത്തുന്നതിനെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള മാധ്യമ പ്രവർത്തകരുടെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്ക് മറുപടി പറയുകയായിരുന്നു ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ.
ലോകത്തെവിടെയായാലും ഏത് സമയത്തും 24 വാർത്തകളും ഓഗ്മെന്റഡ് റിയാലിറ്റി പാക്കേജുകളും എക്സ്പ്ലെയിനറുകളും വിശദമായി കാണാൻ ഞങ്ങളുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാം.